One of the classical types of hard labour in the maintenance of railway track has always been the renewal of sleepers by hand. Since 1987, Van Welzener Spoorbouw of Dordrecht, Holland, has been developing a mechanical sleeper exchanger, in short, an MSE, which is designed as an attachment of a hydraulic excavator. This tool puts an end to this handwork, responsible for many lifelong injuries. In order to operate the MSE, one needs a mobile hydraulic excavator of about 12 tons weight, which has to be equipped with a track guiding system and 2 extra hydraulic functions. These should be able to operate independently from and simultaneously with the other normal standard hydraulic functions of such an excavator. The mounting of the MSE to the excavator is quick and simple. Connection to the jib is similar to the connection of an ordinary backhoe bucket. After that, the hydraulic lines are connected to the extra ones on the jib. Normally, one will use quick fittings for this end. The MSE is now ready for use. Basically, the MSE consists of 2 components: a blade to take care of the ballast and a clamp to handle the sleepers. The blade has several possibilities. For instance, the ballast can be shoveled in the next sleeper compartment, or the ballast can be leveled. By means of a steel strip at the bottom of the blade, one is able to more or less tamp or consolidate the ballast underneath the last laid sleeper. With buckets mounted at the rear side, excavating and disposal of the ballast is also possible. The track guiding rollers in the blade take care of a constant excavated depth with respect to the top side of the rail. The clamp of the MSE serves to pick up sleepers and to handle them. The well-protected, built-in strong rotor enables the sleepers to be placed in every desired position. Clamps are standard for wooden sleepers, but alternatives, for instance, for concrete, duo blocks, etc., have already been developed. In this demo video, one can see how the MSE is operated in daily practice. As soon as the track is out of service, the excavator with the MSE starts operating. A start is made by taking about 5 sleepers out from the side and excavating the ballast in between and under these sleepers. As soon as there is enough room to turn the next sleeper 90 degrees, a cycle starts, which can be endlessly repeated. The clamp of the MSE takes the next old sleeper on the machine side of the pit, puts it beside the track and picks up a new one. With this new sleeper in the clamp, the operator excavates the ballast in the sector and puts it beside the track. When When this is done, the operator holds the new sleeper in place against the foot of the rail. The personnel temporarily fit the sleeper, and the excavator turns away to start on the next old sleeper at the other side of the pit. While the work cycle continues, personnel are able to fit the sleeper permanently to the rail. By means of changing the level of the track guiding rollers in the blade, the excavating depth can be changed in relation to the top side of the rails. In order to keep this depth constant, the rail level has to be kept constant. This is realized with the use of a lift unit and a laser plane. The marks on the laser receiver repeater indicate if the track has to sink or rise. The unit has to be kept as close to the pit as possible and to be moved by regular intervals. When the end of the shift nears, it is time to finish the track. In principle, it can be used with low speed, but eventually it has to be reballasted and tamped. Ballast is unloaded in the track with the aid of special trays, with which the ballast level can be easily regulated. In this video, the same excavator is used to finish the track by means of an attachable tamping unit. In combination with the earlier mentioned lifting unit and laser level, this tamping unit gives very acceptable results, fit for direct use. The MSE can be used for all types of sleeper renewal jobs. It is effectively, and provided the presence of a hydraulic excavator, needs only minor investments compared to independently operating machines. Its effectiveness, both in the renewal of single sleepers as well as in the renewal of whole series of sleepers, has been proved in practice, now for the last 2 years.